So, I've got one camera over there, and now one camera over here. Just curious to see what it will be like to be able to go from camera 1 to camera 2. Just curious really. I just thought it might make it a bit more interesting than just sticking the camera outside the window and hoping that it'll pick up something other than cars driving. I mean, I know it's quite, it's quite good to see where you're going if you're somewhere good. But if you're, just sitting in the traffic jam, it can get a bit repetitive. But I just thought I'd say that. Hello. And now, him. I've always wanted to do that. I've always wanted to do that. Beer, cider, cider, beer, beer, cider.
Can I just say, even if it is raining, can we still go for a carvery? The breakfast carvery? Because I'm feeling a little bit piggy. I know, that was corny, but oink oink, oink oink, oink oink.